This charger replaced 4 chargers on my desk, and it's the size of your palm. Seriously, just look at this. It costs 999 rupees, which is less than buying separate Apple, Samsung, and laptop chargers for your bag. Inside the box, you just get the charger itself. Anker expects you to have your own USB-C cables. It's finished in this stealthy midnight black, weighs only 220 grams, and feels incredibly dense and premium. The Indian plug prongs are fixed, not foldable. This makes it sturdy but slightly less compact for travel. You get 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, letting you charge 3 different devices all at once. That top USB-C port delivers a full 100 watts. That's enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch. When you plug in 3 devices, it intelligently splits the 100 watts between your laptop, phone, and earbuds. This isn't about battery life, it's about speed. It charged my iPhone 15 Pro to 50% in 25 minutes. Anker's Active Shield 2.0 tech monitors temperature 3 million times per day to prevent overheating your expensive devices. This is my entire work setup now, one single plug for my laptop, my phone, and my power bank. The magic here is GaN, or gallium nitride. It's the technology that allows this much power in a tiny size. It's so small, it just disappears in your backpack side pocket, an absolute game changer for daily carry. There's no complex app to worry about, just a simple status LED ring that glows to show it's charging. Compared to older 100W chargers, this is 30% smaller while offering over 50% more total power output. If you are a frequent flyer, a remote worker, or anyone who hates carrying multiple bulky chargers, buy this. One honest limitation. When you plug in a second device, the first device briefly stops charging to renegotiate power. This isn't just a charger. It's an investment in convenience. It's the one plug to rule them all. You can grab the Anker Prime 100W GaN Charger for just 999 rupees right now on Amazon India. Stock is limited for these high-power chargers, so click before it's gone. Link in description. Check the latest Amazon price.